Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today I have been shopping at AliExpress. I'm sure you've heard lots about AliExpress. I've seen a few videos myself. It's a little bit like Wish. You have to take a few weeks before it arrives, and I think it comes from China as well. So yeah, I thought I could see what kind of designer dupes that I could pick up. There's a couple of other bits and pieces as well, but these are the best sort of designer dupes that I could find. So I thought I'd share them with you today. So let's get into the video. Right, first off, what I wanted to do is I'm going to show you exactly on this side of the screen the actual real products. Obviously, if I show you a fake of something, I'm going to show you as well what it looks like from the store and the price as well, and I'll show you the price differences. So let's get into the first item. The first item that I picked up was this Chanel dupe. Now this is obviously the very traditional, as you can see from the book here, the very first quilted Chanel bag actually came out in 1955. So this is obviously the Chanel dupe. As you can see, the slight difference is that we've got the little C's that slightly turn up on the end. But apart from that, it looks like a really good dupe. It's got a lovely quilted pattern as normal. It has got the extra sort of pearl beading on the top, which the original Chanel doesn't have. I'll pop a picture here. I personally prefer it without this. I think this is just some added detail that you don't really need. Again, it looks like it's made quite well. You get the extra strap there, which you can see, which is the typical of the Chanel bag. Inside, it's got like a red inside, which I thought looked really good. And you've got your little zip as well, which you normally get with a bag. This one I think was about $20. If I'm not correct, or £20, around that price. Again, you can tell that it's not authentic because of the little curls on the C's, but apart from that, I think at a glance you probably wouldn't notice. So that was my first bag. Right, next up we have the Yves Saint Laurent dupe. So here we have, again, a little bag. This is also, it's got the little tassel, which I thought was really cute. As again, you can see it's got Yves Saint Laurent on. You know that it's a dupe because of the extra little line there on the L, which obviously isn't on the original Yves Saint Laurent, which I'll put a picture here. So just opening it up, we've obviously got the inside there. We have let's just take that out. We have the metal plus a little bit of leather strap as well. It's actually a cute little bag that. Really like this one actually. And a magnetic close on it as well. Now this again was about £20. I'll put, obviously when I put the bag up, I'll put the price of the original. And again, I think you could possibly get away with that being sort of real at a glance. I guess you may not notice that extra L, or you may notice it. But yeah, I thought that was a pretty good dupe, to be honest. So that was that. Right, next up I picked up were these sunglasses. Now these again were a dupe of Yves Saint Laurent. I'll try and put an example on the screen here of the original ones. You can kind of tell that they're not authentic. I think the YSL is kind of a bit bunched up, which you wouldn't find on a normal pair of sunglasses. They feel quite good quality though, they're quite sturdy. Let me just try them on. Do I look cool? I think they're probably a little bit big for my face, but yeah, so that's what they look like on. I think they were okay. I think these were quite cheap, if I'm not correct. I'll put a price on the screen because I can't quite remember what they cost. But again, quite a good dupe. Again, you might be able to tell because of the YSLs are a bit bunched, but you know, I don't think they were that expensive, and they are good quality glasses. So that was those ones. Right, next up we have this 100% silk scarf. This is very Dior-esque, as you can see from the slight patterning that goes on there. This is very Dior-like. It looks luxurious. Obviously it's silk, so it is luxurious. And I really, really love the pattern. Now this was literally pennies. I think it was less than £5 for this. But this would look amazing. you know, with a nice sort of wool coat, like a cream one, or even a black coat in the winter. I think it looks really nice. I mean, it's a bit warm today to put this on, but you get my drift, which I thought looked really quite elegant. So yeah, I thought this was beautiful. I'll try and put on the screen here of an original Dior scarf, but again, if you're looking for a dupe, that's a really good one to have. Right, the last couple of items are kind of unrelated to designer items. So I did pick up these rings, which I thought again were quite cute. You get like a pack of them, to be honest. Let me just grab them all. So you get like this one. See that one? That one's quite nice. A straight one. It's very, very pretty. And then you get another sort of straightish one, which looks like that. And then two little ones with little diamantes in, and one that's slightly bigger. So you could wear those on your little finger. So pick those up as well. I think they were like £1. They came in this sort of little packet. So there was those. Last but not least, I will actually do a separate video on this, as I picked up the teeth whitening system. Now I think this was about £5 for this. So this, you actually get the light, the accelerator light that you've seen loads of people use. A 2x soft flex teeth whitening tray, so you get 2 little trays, and you get 10 whitening gels. I haven't opened this at all, so if I just take it out of the packet, it isn't even open, but let's just open it up. So there's the light. It smells very like medical. There's the syringes with the stuff in, and the trays are here. This is handy if you just need to have, like, all you need to get then is just some more of the gel if you're interested in the teeth whitening. And then you get the instructions. Also an indicator card to see what colour of tooth you are, and then the instructions here. This shelf life's 24 months as well. Yeah, basically tells you what you need to do. So I will do that in another video if you're interested. Please leave a comment below if that's something that you want to see. I will do that. So that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. I am going to try and upload a little bit more on there. I kind of have neglected it a little bit, but I am trying to upload more. So please follow me on there as well. I'll just leave it on the screen here. And that's it for the video. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to give me a big thumbs up, that would be brilliant. If you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.